Hey, hi, this is Manjunath Chandraya. Today's session will be learning how to enable function keys. So sometimes in laptop and desktops, function keys may not be working. In that case, what we are trying to do is like will we use the function key. There's a separate key called as fn, and clicking holding that, and if you click on the function keys, it will work. If you directly click on the F5 function or any other function keys, it may not work because we need to hold the function key on the below and use the upper function keys. It may work. So I don't want to do that. So I want directly click on F5 or F6, any other functions that should work without holding the function key in the below. So how to enable that? Disable that. So how to disable is hold the function key first on the bottom side of your laptop or your desktop's keyboard. So once you hold, use the escape function. Hold the function key as well as the escape function once, and now you try doing it. See, I've done. Now it directly is working for me. So no need to hold the function and use the function keys. You want to again to disable that, again click on the function key and escape. So that will disable the function keys. I hope this session was helpful. Do let me know for any other formula, anything, so that I can create a video in the future. Thank you for your time. Happy learning.